7 to 9. Now, have you got the VicEmergency app on your phone? Do you know how to use it and to get the most out of it? Well, the Australian Red Cross is running some workshops in the next couple of weeks to help farmers and communities just get your head around the apps that are around for you to use for this very purpose. Jessica Davison can tell you more. Jessica, good morning. So tell us about the workshops. Is it specifically VicEmergency?
Look, it is VicEmergency, but look, we've got a bunch of other ones to take people through at our workshop. So we've got great ones like windy, which will storm fronts are, and lightning, one of my favourite ones to watch, just to know where storms are and what they're doing. It's a live one, so you can watch and get some really great up-to-date information. Of course, we'll take people through ABC radio because it's very important as the emergency broadcaster, as we know, which gives you up-to-date warnings and advice. Look, we do BOM. But look, one of my real favourites is actually Emergency Plus, which takes you straight to the 000 phone number, but also the number for SES and the police, and it gives you your location, which is fantastic. So I had a story of someone on horseback taking out a trail ride in a remote area. Someone got into serious trouble, and it was very hard to know exactly where they were. So they used Emergency Plus, and they were provided with the latitude and longitude, which are long numbers, but it also gives you 3 words, which are really helpful to just provide to emergency services so they know where you are.
I mean, these are some of the things maybe we think to ourselves, yes, let's get the app. I've got the app, never used it, don't know how it works. And it can be a little bit, bamboozling as well. That's why these workshops are so important.
That's exactly right, yes. Look, we'll sit down with people, we'll explain what the apps are for, and show people how they can upload them on the phone. It's just a free 2-hour workshop. And look, we're running these. We love to go to small towns in the northeast. So it's actually over the next few months. So we're running them, for example, in Bonnie-Doon, Corryong, Myrtleford, Mount Beauty, Cornishtown, Chiltern. So between now and May, you can certainly jump onto the Eventbrite site. If you have a look for Red Cross Emergency App training, you'll find us there. Please register, and we'd love to see you there.
And really worthwhile. I mean, already this year, we've seen storms, we've seen, heat wave conditions. So we certainly know that being able to keep on top of these emergency situations is just so important at the moment.
Yeah, look, that's exactly right. And we find with our communities where we have done training with things like this and first aid training, we've got some of that coming up too, which I'd love to talk to you about later at a later stage. When people are well prepared, it helps them feel safe, it helps them feel calmer, and of course, when you feel safe and calm, you can think more clearly and you can make better decisions.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so jump onto the website to find out where they are, and you can register, you can sign up for it, and as you said, there's no cost involved.
That's exactly right, yes, absolutely.
Jessica, thank you so much, really appreciate it.
Great, thank you so much.
Terrific.
We're really looking forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you. Jessica Davison from Australian Red Cross with some info there about those workshops. So they are in Rutherglen, Walwa, Corryong, Tallangatta, Bethanga, Myrtleford, Mount Beauty, Chiltern. So they do cover a huge area, and you can head along as well if you jump onto the Red Cross website to learn how to use those apps. It's very important stuff. Hey, it is 2 minutes away from the 9 o'clock.